I'm thinking about calling it the Scorpion. Basically, if you bought one of those Russian-made meter kits, found out it didn't work right, I did. So I realized that the programming was messed up on the microcontroller. And then I went to reprogram it. I wound up using more programming space than their little microcontroller had. So I wound up having to change microcontrollers. So after at least a week's worth of work and trial and error trying to figure out how things make, I finally got my own version working. Right now it's got a 9-pound signal. It's in screensaver mode, says Scorpion, although I can actually change the 8 digits, the 8 characters on the front to you like your CB handle or something. Got the microphone, we tap it, it goes back to an R receive mode, and you can see the 9-pound signal. And this is the little microcontroller that I'm using. Basically 4 wires hook up inside your radio, and 4 wires hook up to the display, and there is an additional diode that's underneath the black heat shrink tubing, and a 2.4K resistor. Pretty simple hookup overall, and I'll have the wiring diagram drawn out so people can assemble this. So what's the features? If you key it up, you can see the power scale. You're talking to it, ooh, audio, hey, 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 hey. And you can somewhat calibrate it with the internal controls in the radio to try to display 4 or 6 watts. Now the other question people have is, well, what about the SWR scale? Will I lose my SWR scale? Well, here's the catch. You take your button, you pull it up, and you can see the power scale too. But if you tap the button, now you've got an SWR scale, and you can go ahead and calibrate the meter and flip the switch to SWR to see the take the SWR reading. It's pretty cool, simple, and effective.